1.6 lana ke kule multiple choice question yethu basibuza nge-momentum. Bathi the direction of an object's momentum. The direction of an object's momentum is always in the same direction as the object's A, velocity, B, weight, C, inertia, D, potential energy. First of all, asicale ngoku-eliminate potential energy. Why do I say sum-eliminate potential energy? Potential energy siyam-eliminate ngoba it has nothing to do with momentum energy. There's nothing connecting potential energy ne momentum. Why do I say that? Potential energy is a scalar quantity. It has no direction, right? But the momentum has what? Direction. But le question le izofuna ukuthi understand ukuthi momentum we calculate kanjani. Momentum P is calculated as velocity times mass, right? Alright, ngibhale so mv, mass times velocity. Mass, it's a scalar, velocity, it's a vector, and now times are scalar and a vector, you should get a vector, right? And the vector is being determined by the vector. Okay, the answer is vector. The direction of this vector uzoyithola ngale direction of this vector or multiply ngayo scalar quantity, right? So since formula momentum involve mass nani ne velocity, inertia out, there's no inertia ku formula momentum. Weight puma, there's no weight in our formula for momentum. So therefore momentum it depends on what? Velocity. So our answer la it's what? It's A. Right. Answer E. I mean this question iphelela lana. I hope we enjoy it. Check out the description box for ama links for other questions for this question paper. For now, peace.